Hello, it's Lazio, back again with another tutorial for you guys. And in today's tutorial, we are diving deep in the world of JavaScript. And what we have in front of us, as you can see, is function. However, before we dive in, are you guys noticing a difference within the voice? Any slight difference? Because I basically got myself a new microphone, which basically makes the quality a better version than before. Hopefully it sounds better. Otherwise, it's basically a very unfortunate, because we are updating the quality of the videos. As you can see, the production team is doing well. I'm joking. It's no production team, it's just me screen recording, talking to myself, explaining to you guys a function. And before we proceed, please subscribe and like, helps a lot. And I think we got new subscriber. Was it yesterday? I think I got a notification, got me excited. That's why I'm making a video. Sorry. All right, let's dive in. What is a function? Function is the most important concept in the entirety of JavaScript, and it's literally used everywhere. One of the core building blocks of JavaScript is this function. So as you can see, this is what a function looks like. However, we're gonna deep dive in and explain why is it important that we need it. Why do we need it? All right, let's go. All right, reduce this and have this below. All right, as you guys can see, I have myself a plain HTML, and I have a app.js for the JavaScript. And I got a message from one of my friends who was watching my tutorial, and he said, why is the JavaScript files not working? But it's because you have not attached the JavaScript file to your HTML. That's why it's not working, my friend. And now let's dive in function. All right, how to declare a function? Very easy, straightforward. To declare a function, you must do this. Just type a function. Very straightforward. And once we declare the function, we must give it a name. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. All right, greet is what we give it. And to follow the syntax of function, we must give it a parentheses and curly braces. And now we are inside the curly braces, which is the body of the function. And before we proceed, you guys know about last video, something called console.log, right? It is basically logging out a message to the console. Very, very straightforward. Let's say we are welcoming a person called Kareem. Yeah. Hi, Kareem. And let's go to the console, inspect, and to the console. Oh, as you can see, let me put this up and ignore any messages you guys can get from here. All right. You guys can see, hi Kareem from app.js, which is the file name. And on the first line, hi Kareem. Let's say we have another person we want to welcome. You know what? Let's say 3. Let's say second person is David. And the last person is Messi. You know what I'm saying? Messi, welcome. All right. So we have hi Kareem, hi David, hi Messi. Imagine now we have many other people. We can't just keep doing hi Messi, hi, right? It's very long. And if you have a guest of maybe 20 of them or 40 of them, you can't just keep writing hi. You want to have them ready, and at the finger you want to say execute. All the names comes up. So let's take all of these names. Kobe, not Kobe, copy. Sorry guys, English is not my first language. And then we paste it right here. once we have it based right here, what we can do is call out the function greet, and look at that, all the names comes up. Wow, very, 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 very nice, isn't it? And this is the beauty of function, because let's say basically a function, guys, is a set of like within the function you could have a set of statements, performing a task or calculate a value. That's what it is basically. And as you guys know, within the parentheses, what we put right there is parameter. Let's say, for example, we have a parameter, we call it a name, right? Let's just call it name, and then at the end we can use and call, let's delete this or make it as a comment. And then let's say here we want to call out the name, because that's how it is, let's say we saying this is a test actually. 1 second. Hi, let's do this. Hi, and then we say plus, is this gonna really look out? Name. No, it has to be 1 second. Let's do this. We're not consoling out messy, we're just gonna say hi, and then the console is just gonna give us hi only. All right, that's nice. That's all we need from the console to do. And then now we have name up there. We can have we have messy here. Let's give it a second name, and we call this Ronaldo. And let's refresh. Okay, it's only logging out hi. Oh, my bad, guys, my bad, technical issues. And now we say plus name, and now it would say hi Ronaldo, but let's do this hi. So to recap what I just said, we have a console that says hi, and then we concatenate with it with plus, and we say name, and then below we declare the name, because you guys see greet and then name. What's the name here? The name is going to be Ronaldo. So now we have just do this space, because name hi Ronaldo properly. And now we have a function that has a parameter, and then we're calling out the parameter, we're calling out the function with the argument Ronaldo, and it consoling out hi, and then plus the parameter, basically calling out the function and the argument. Hopefully, guys, this is a straightforward tutorial, and you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe, and if you have a friend that's trying to get into learning JavaScript, please send this video. It might help them. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in for this tutorial. I appreciate it. See you in the next tutorial.